passionate. I work hard to win it, pop it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch you.
Hello all, welcome to the channel or welcome back to the channel. I am excited to bring you this panty drop try on. So I have this pair of panties in 3 colors. So that this pair of panties, this pair of panties, okay, in 3 colors. And this is the new perfect panty from Panty Drop. So y'all know when I first tried Panty Drop, I told you all that they had a subscription service where you can get you know, a basic plan, premium, all that good stuff, 3 pair of panties each month. So it was a subscription service. But what I really love is, I don't know if this is the same as before, but now when I went on the site to check out this perfect panty, which I'll tell you all about in a minute, that you can buy them individually. So I really like that, because I know a lot of people, you know, we have a lot of things where it's subscription, whether it's entertainment, clothing, lingerie, shoes. There are so many subscriptions, so just to have it readily available, I really appreciate that. So let's get into the perfect panty. So one, we already know Panty Drop goes up what, from an extra small to a 6X. So let's talk about inclusivity. I always talk about inclusivity because sometimes we get really happy as full figure, plus size, thick, curvy, whatever you want to call it, women, when we see a 3X being offered now at a store, right? Sometimes even a 4X, but to go to a 6X is very inclusive, and I'm glad that they're taking the initiative. I love Panty Drop. I still wear the panties from before, of course. So I'm really happy to have these 3 pair right here. Like, this is so comfy, and I love a granny panty. And it's not even, I don't even get granny vibes from this one right here, okay? So let me tell you, this apparently has a wider gusset, okay, so more width for the wider coochie. That's exactly what it says, okay? A wider gusset for the wider coochie. So I'm really happy about that. And then apparently in the thigh portion, it's made wider as well, meaning you're gonna have more room for your thighs, because that's one thing where with jeans, shorts, anything, my thighs sometimes they do not get past the thighs. So I really appreciate that. And sometimes you do have panties where they're just cutting into your thighs. So with that being said, I really appreciate the wider gusset, the more coverage in the front. And apparently this elastic is not supposed to roll down, y'all. So let's see. It didn't roll. Let's see. Ooh. It did not roll. It did not roll. Y'all know sometimes when you sit down, when you do exercise, whatever you're doing, these things roll down. Not these. These are good. But panties roll down. So let me give you the full 360, okay? So this is what it looks like back here. It has nice coverage, and it covers my long booty, okay? And then, and the wide part of it too. This is the front where it covers all of that. So if you have a fupa, if you have stomach that hang down, whatever the case is, it's gonna cover all of that. If you got a wide coochie, look, it's gonna cover it. So I really like this. This color is really pretty. That's why I wanted to try it on first. It's like a rust or a burnt orange color. Yeah, I love it. And all of them have this like navy blue band, and it does, let me actually show you with another pair. Oh, I mentioned this pair of panties, this perfect panty, is only $13.50. I've paid more for horrible fitting freaking panties, okay? So $13.50 is really good. And I went on the site and I saw that if you buy 3 pair, you get 15% off. So just wanted to let that be known. And I have mine in a size 24-26. So this is what that one looks like. The band here has the Panty Drop logo there. Really cute. The back full coverage. Really appreciate that. And then I'm going to turn it inside out. Of course, this is all cotton. So of course it's cotton lined, and then it has like this little color block or patch going on here. So that's what the panty looks like inside out. Just wanted to give y'all a close-up of that, okay? So that's this panty. I'm actually going to try on the other 2 colors, this one and the navy. So let me hop into those right there. Hold up. I got a coupon code, of course. Y'all know I come through with the coupon code. I'm gonna have it in the beginning since I waited 5 minutes to tell y'all. But that coupon code is Daquana20 for 20% off. Okay, and it's only already $13.50, and you get 20% off. Okay, so let's do it. All right, so this is that pink color, really cute. Y'all know I love me some pink. Okay, I wonder if there's black. I hope there's black, but even if it's not, I got the navy, so I'm good on that. I love the color blocking. It just gives it something a little different. I like the color, the different color waistband, and then, you know, the pop of color and the actual panty. I think that's really cute, and not your average, your usual granny panty or full coverage panty. Let's stop calling it granny, okay? Because we're gonna call it full coverage. I don't know who gave it that name granny, but honey, I'm 26 and I like a full coverage. Okay, so that's this color, and I have one more color for you, but there was something that I was thinking of and I can't remember. I think it was a title. I think I'm gonna put, you know, extra small to 6X panties that pass the sit down test or the squat test. The squat test. So I'm gonna do that for the title. But yeah, this is that pink color. I like this one. I really like that like burnt orange color for the fall. Who matches their panties with the seasons? I don't know, but I really like that color, and you know I really love pink, so I really love this color too. Let's hop in to that navy color. All right, so that first color was cinnamon stick. The second color was Fearless Fuchsia, and this is the color Unfiltered. So typically I don't really wear or prefer panties where it's like under my belly button or what used to be a belly button, so, you know, but under there. Okay, and I don't necessarily want when the little under fat is hanging out. So the full coverage of all of these, amazing. Okay, you see me holding my stomach. I do that when I get my wax too. Anywho, that's neither here nor there. So I really love these briefs. They're just really comfortable. Honestly, panty drop knocked it out the park with this one. Absolutely comfy. Like, it again passed the squat test. I don't have any complaints. It didn't roll down. Like, all of this is great. It's not digging in the thigh. Like I said, I've had cotton panties before. And that's the thing. You want full cotton panties because it's really good for your vag. But then when you go find them, they dig right here. They too low. They roll down. They just not doing it for you. So again, this color is Unfiltered. The other color was Fearless Fuchsia, and then we had Cinnamon Stick. I really love Cinnamon Stick, and of course I love this color as well. And again, I love the color blocking, and the interior of this one actually has like this pop of pink, this fuchsia as well. So that was my panty drop try on of their perfect panties, and I will say I give it to them. I'm gonna give it to them. Okay, I wasn't skeptical because panty drop came through in the last video. Okay, wasn't skeptical at all, but to call something perfect, it gotta be perfect. It gotta be perfect. And I feel like these are gonna do really good with jeans, because I don't like when I have things like cutting off in the jeans and you can see it because they're like fitted jeans. So I think these are gonna do really good with my jeans. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll definitely have the links down below, any information you need down below. That coupon code is Daquana20 for 20% off. And do not forget that these go from an extra small to a 6X, and that is what we call, people, say it with me everyone, say it with me, inclusivity. True inclusivity. So thank you Panty Drop for sponsoring this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. I love trying on underwear because this is the foundation for your attire. What's underneath is going to determine the outcome of the actual outfit as well. So hope you guys enjoyed. Links will be down below. The perfect panty, only $13.50 plus a 20% coupon code. Can't beat it, and it passed the squat test. Okay.